The entire process of spiritual awakening actually leads to a transformed state of consciousness, and there is a reason for it. Until now, you've always searched for God outside of yourself, in idols, in temples, in rituals, and while they all hold a lot of meaning, but to truly connect with divinity, to truly merge with it, you have to realize that sacred within yourself. Because oneness with divinity means oneness with your own self. Only when we acknowledge stillness and the noise around us starts to fade, something subtle shifts within us. Something awakens, and this is awareness. Something which is sacred and eternal, untouched. And this awareness is an important part of spirituality. Rather, awareness is integral to what we call as spiritual awakening. Nowadays, you would hear a lot of people talk about spirituality and the spiritual path. But spirituality without awareness, without consciousness, is actually meaningless. Because life happens to all of us. Life was happening to you before your awakening as well. But you never understood why things happened a certain way, why certain processes had to happen, why you had to meet some people, why you had to let go of some people, why some suffering had to happen. Awareness gives you understanding of why things are happening to you, why you are the way you are. And because of this awareness, you start to see your life, your own self, not from an outsider's perspective, but from your own inner consciousness. And for you to, merge with the divine, for you to actually have a divine union, awareness is very essential, because awareness teaches you that you have to let go of control. Awareness teaches you how to walk this path, who to let in, who to let go. And without it, you would not be able to understand where you are going and why you are being led down this path. So you might wonder, what is the point of all this pain? What is the point of all the suffering that one goes through during their spiritual awakening? Of course, this is shedding of the skin. This is transformation. Everything has to go, because what comes after this is absolutely beautiful. It is your own divine initiation. Until now, you've looked for God outside of yourself, in temples, in idols, in rituals. And while they all held importance and they still hold importance, finding divinity has to be a very internal process. And awakening to your own true self means oneness with self. And oneness with self is actually oneness with God. During this process, when you let go, and when you let go of not just everything that surrounded you, but also the noise around you, when this noise fades and you give in to the sacred silence, something stirs in you, something which is very subtle, and this is actually awareness. The flames of awareness start to rise in you, and this awareness is actually what spirituality is. It teaches you who you truly are. It gives meaning to your own life. Until now, life was simply happening to you. You never understood why certain processes were put in place, why you were born in a certain home, why you were the way you were, why you had certain friends, why you had to go through certain life events. But awareness gives you meaning. Awareness actually helps you understand that life had to happen a certain way. Some things had to come in your life and some things had to go. And if you want to experience divine, you have to surrender to this awareness within you, because this is what will ultimately lead you to the path that you are meant to walk. It will be like your guiding source, your intuition, which is going to speak to you much louder than any of the noises that surround you. You are the same person that you were before this whole awakening happened, before you awaken to who you are. But the shift that happens is very subtle. Something inside of you has completely transformed, and this transformation had to happen for your awareness to rise. And when this awareness rises, the ego lets go of its controls and simply witnesses. It means you as a person will let go of control and simply witness life. That's why surrendering is a very important part of this process, because surrendering means you will understand that you have never been in control. The one in control was the one who awakened you, who led you down through everything, who held your hand through this transformation, and who has brought you over here. And once you let go of control, and once you let your awareness be the guiding light, you will feel life blossom beautifully. Spiritual awakening is, like I said, a very internal process. And from an outsider's perspective, you will never be able to explain anyone why something is happening, why you feel a certain way. There are a lot of people that I've spoken to who find it difficult to express it to their own family and friends why they have changed, why they want to spend time by their own self, why their choices have changed, why they have let go of old friends, old relationship, or why do they just simply see the world in a very different way. And one thing that I have learned from my own personal experience, but that to explain all this is meaningless. You would never be able to explain anybody why things are happening a certain way, why you were chosen for this. So in the end, I would just conclude by saying that given to this process, you are chosen to walk this path for a reason, and this is a huge blessing, because until now the life that you lived was an absolute illusion, I would rather say. You had no understanding of why things were happening to you, but only through spiritual awakening have you been able to understand that you are the way you are for a reason. It's a process of inner transformation and inner alchemy, and if this is happening to you, then there's no reason to be scared of it. Just simply surrender to the process and have faith that divinity is guiding you and something beautiful waits for you at the end of this road.